Across South Africa, young storytellers are sparking climate action, one solar-powered screening at a time.
The hall is full, mainly the youth.
Together with Encounters Documentary Film Festival and the UMI Fund, we brought bold climate stories to the people who live their realities every day. 15 screenings across all 9 provinces, turning film into fuel for collective action. From Gauteng's townships to the Wild Coast, people connected climate justice to daily life, floods, mining, food, water, and ancestral knowledge.
Let's go back to the indigenous knowledge, because that's how best we responded to the issues of climate change. That's how best we manage conservation.
And the best part, people didn't just talk, they acted. Planted gardens, saving water, starting eco-clubs, and organizing cleanups led by local youth.
En ons kinders het dit baie geniet want hulle kon geleer het van die klimaat. Wat ons ook gesien het, dat as daar nie na die environment gekyk word nie, dan gaan die environment ook nie na ons kyk nie.
We appreciate a lot the program that was displaying the film that would spark the debate.
Thank you for backing youth-led climate resilience.